Now, the second type of this asphalt which we have produced from the distillation is the cutback asphalt. Now let me explain actually what is the meaning of cutback. Actually, this cutback is the word used for the dilution. Cutback is the word means that we are going to add something in order to change the characteristics. So what we have to change means in the asphalt, the most important property is the viscosity. This viscosity, we have to change it. In order to change the value of the viscosity, we are going to put some solvent. In order to change the viscosity, some solvent is added. In order to use at ordinary temperature. This is the meaning of cutback. So this is a brief introduction. In order to change the viscosity, some solvent is added. Okay. In order to use it at ordinary temperature. Very simple definition. Very simple definition. Now, what type of the solvent we have to add? I will show it to you in its types. Now, when it is having this type of the material, it has been now in liquefied. Now it is in the liquid form. It is now more solid because viscosity is reduced. When some viscosity is reduced, the material is not solidified. Material, although it is viscous, but it is not a solid. It is like liquid. So that's why it's the word at ordinary temperature. The thing can only be used at ordinary temperature if it is in the semi-liquid form. So this is the liquid material, in other words. So it is heated and sprayed on aggregate. What will happen? Because it is in the environment, solvent will evaporate. When the solvent will evaporate, what is remaining? Only the binder is remaining. Binder is remaining. What it will do? Cementing the aggregates. This is the description of this one. Cementing the, because it is heated, sprayed, the solvent will evaporate in the environment. What is the remaining? Binder. Now binder is in stick form with the aggregate. Now the aggregate have been cemented with each other. So that's why this brief definition in my own words I have written over here. So for you people to understand it, that how it is going to work. Now I will show you something different approach over here. You see the word solvent. Now this solvent is being added with asphalt cement. What we are going to get? Cutback asphalt. Now here the situation becomes more clear. That solvent is being added in the asphalt cement, and what we are going to get? Asphalt, cutback asphalt. So from here in this equation, it is very easy for you to understand. that what is the cutback asphalt. Now let me go after writing this definition that what are the uses. It can be used at ordinary temperature. This I have already written in the definition. Second, adhere well to the aggregates. Third one, it is sprayed on pavement. On pavement or aggregate base course. What will happen? The solvent evaporate, then bonding the aggregate. ठीक है, bonding the aggregate. Third one, cooled mix. Cooled mix maintenance. You know, sometime on the road, we have made some patches. Whatever this cooled mix maintenance which I have written over here, then you can write down this patch repair. Sealing cracks. etc. Another property which we have already studied in our previous lectures as a prime coat and tack coat. So these are the uses of this cutback, sorry, as a prime coat, not as a tack coat, as a prime coat. Now, after getting these uses of this one, now I will explain to you that what are the types of this material. As I have given you in the definition, that all the types will depend upon the amount of the solvent used. So on the basis of this use of solvent, I will say that is divided into three sections. Number one, rapid curing. Number two, medium curing. And number three, slow curing. These three types of this cutback asphalt are produced due to the combination of asphalt, cement, and due to the combination of the different solvent. So I am just giving you the brief introduction about this rapid curing, medium curing, and slow curing one by one. First of all, let me tell you that how rapid curing is formed. As I have already told you, asphalt, cement plus solvent. You know, this asphalt cement, I am going to write down its grade 8500 plus solvent over here is gasoline or then we are going to get RC, rapid curing cutback asphalt. Now let me tell you one thing, as I have written over here that this rapid curing cutback asphalt, as this amount of solvent is changed, it will remain fixed. As the amount of solvent is changed, then we are going to get its different grades. First of all, RC70, RC250, RC800 and RC3000. These are the grades or the types of this rapid curing obtained due to the use of this gasoline or due to the use of this other product given over here, naphthene. But over here, when the amount is changing, then these grades are changing. This written over here. So this is the just brief introduction about the rapid curing. After this rapid curing, now let me tell you about the second type, that is known as our medium curing. Same equation, asphalt cement plus solvent is equal to MC, cutback asphalt. Here asphalt cement, this grade. Here solvent will change because as in the definition I have told you, when the solvent is changing, the gradation is changing. Here your solvent is kerosene. This gives us this MC. Now this, when the amount of kerosene is changed into this one, we are going to get again its different types or different grades, like this one, MC30, MC70, MC250, MC800 and MC3000. Let me tell you again how these are obtained due to the change of this. If the kerosene amount is changing in this type of the asphalt cement, then these grades which are produced over here, it will vary. So this is the brief introduction about this medium curing. After this medium curing, now I am going to tell you this third type. That is the slow curing. Same, we will go the same equation, asphalt cement plus solvent will give us cutback. Slow curing, SC means slow curing cutback asphalt. Over here, what will be my asphalt cement? 200 by 300 grade. What will be my solvent? Oil. What I am going to get? Slow curing. If the amount of soil mean diesel oil, which is given over there in my production drawing, when this oil is added and when this amount of this solvent is changing, we are again going to get a different grade. Same is grading system SC70, SC250, SC800, SC3000. So this is the just brief definition and brief introduction about this type of this cutback asphalt. That cutback asphalt is obtained due to the addition of solvent in order to change the characteristics of the asphalt cement, which are those three solvent I have just given you in the three different types, like gasoline, second kerosene, and third one is the oil. And how many types of these are produced, this I have also shown you over here in each of these types. Now your two types are completed today. Your two types are completed over, second type is completed over here. Now your third type is remaining. This I will carry on in my next video, and thank you very much for seeing this.